1, go.
Okay, so I'm just going to give a strip down of the injector, probably, depending on the amount of times you use it, once a fortnight. So we're just taking the seal out. There is actually some resin in here, which is a good way of dealing with it, to show you how it works. So I'm just going to unscrew this top chamber, and you'll see that there's a seal here, there's a seal here, and there's a seal here. These are actually new seals, so I won't actually take them off. They have actually got some resin on them, so I'm just going to give them a wipe down. You can see there's a bit of contamination there, and I'm going to get the isopropyl wipe and just give this a wipe down, pretty instant drying. Just going to go into the barrel as well, just give that a wipe down. You could get a build-up of cure on there, so just, you've got your pick here to just dig any of the cured resin out if you've done a number of repairs. Just to replace these seals, you just pull them off. You can cut that one with a blade probably. The important thing is with this one is it just must be facing upwards when you actually put it back on, and I always run a finger around it as well, just to make sure that it's in the right position. Still just actually a bit of contamination on there. Okay. If we was changing the seal, there is actually a seal kit here, so you can see everything's in here, and just on this upper black seal, what you do is, if it's a brand new seal, is just get a real small amount of seal grease and just wipe it on there. So that just helps it glide. Again, just a small amount. Now if it was an extreme clean, so you know, if it was really caked up, if it was really dirty, there is acetone. So this is just like a Poundland acetone. As I said, it's a pound. Just a tray, load it up. And what you can do is you can put your seals in. There we go. Fill it up as much as you feel necessary, and just put the injector in with some tissue and just start cleaning down. So really this just get it back to new. Acetone or isopropyl clean really quickly. They are the recommended agents for cleaning. Obviously do it in a ventilated area. They are flammable, which is why we have the wipes, but of course you've got the acetone here, so I would do this outside, to be honest. And you then just give it a good strip down, put your new seals on, and as again, just ensuring that that one is facing upwards, put it into the injector, make sure this seal here is there as well, wind this down, lock it, and we can just do a calibration there just to see that we've got the seal sitting right. So if it sucks back, we know we're good to go. And that tool there is now as good as new. It won't work to its maximum if it's contaminated, dirty, seal's not positioned correctly, which is why you give it a strip down clean periodically, or just a general weekly clean, just to ensure optimum performance, and that's good to go.